Hey everyone, welcome back to Simplify with Achal. Today we are diving into one of the core concepts of object oriented programming, inheritance. Let us break down simply this with real life and programming examples. Inheritance is a feature of object oriented programming where a class can inherit properties and behaviors from another class. Think it like a child inheriting traits from their parents. Inheritance is nothing but it's just like a child inheriting traits from his parents, that is, the derived class inheriting properties of the base class. Now let us see definition of inheritance in object oriented programming. Inheritance is the fundamental concept in object oriented programming OOP that allows class called as the child class or subclass to acquire the properties and behaviors, methods or attributes of another class called as the parent class or superclass. In simple words, it means reusing code written in one class in another, just like children inherit features from their parents. Now let us see why is inheritance used. Inheritance is the feature of OOPS which helps you to reuse existing code, reduce redundancy and make your code more organized and easier to manage. Here you can see two boxes, one named as base class and another named as derived class. Base class is the class which gives properties to the derived class, and the class that inherits from the parent or base class is called as derived class. So the upper one, the base class, is the parent class which is going to give its properties to the derived class or the child class. Here is a basic example of inheritance. The class dog inherits from the animal. That means dog can now use all the public and protected features of the class animal. Here I am just giving an example to inheritance. We will see implementation of inheritance when we learn types of inheritance in my future videos. Now, let us see a real life example of inheritance here. The parent class or base class is vehicle, and the classes that gets derived from the vehicle class is bus and truck. A vehicle can be a car or bike or a truck. All of them share common properties like wheels, fuel, brakes, so they can inherit from vehicle class. There are five main types of inheritance, that is single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. We will see all this in detail in my future videos. With implementation of all this,